Temmy frosh TV. It's a continental dishes. Vlog, we got it up. Latest news.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your lovely girl again, Temmy frosh. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing video. So I just got an electronic auto, as in car, for my children. So this is it. I'll be doing unboxing video with you guys. So let's go along.
Mama.
Unbox with us, guys. Don't mind their voice, so I don't have copyright to their voice, guys. Because they won't allow this thing to just stay. Okay. Wow, they like it. See them. Wow. Yeah, I'll be doing the unboxing for the second one later. So I'll just do this first, then later I'll do the unboxing for the second car. So we still have to add some things like the tire. We have to fix the tire, I think the battery. So it also came with a manual. So this is the manual that we are going to use to set it up. And also we are still almost everything. We fixed everything. This, I think this is the engine or something. Yes. So these are the seats. This is the seats. Yeah, this is the seats and some other things.
Let me sit down with you.
So this is the manual children electric vehicle. So we try and figure it out how to fix everything. Wow, that was very easy. Very, very easy. See my son, he wants to put it by himself. See them, they want to do it by themselves. So it also came with a remote control. This is the windscreen. This is the chair. This is the steering. So I'll be showing you guys how. So we are already through with the 4 tires. So we want to assemble the windscreen. You can see he's already pressing it. So we've really been. It was stressful to put the windscreen. So I just. So I want to put the steering. It was not easy to put the windscreen, so that was why I cut the video so we could use 2 hands to do it. So this is it. We are through with everything: the windscreen, the steering, the seats. Here is the charger down there if you want to charge it, and here is the brake. As you can see, it will move. And here are the, maybe you want it to sing. It also sings. So we'll be going out to try it. You know, it will be more better on the road than inside the house. EFG. It also has a USB cord. It's really good. I got it on AMASON, so I'll be dropping the link for you guys. If I don't know if anyone might be interested. So thank you guys for watching my video. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And if you come across this video by any means, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye. See you guys in my next video. Coffee front camera.